Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious salmon fish cakes from canned salmon. First, drain your canned salmon thoroughly, removing any skin or bones for a smoother texture. Next, finely chop about 1/4 cup of fresh dill and zest 1/2 of a lemon. These fresh ingredients will brighten the flavor of your fish cakes. Have your breadcrumbs and eggs ready for the next step. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, flake the drained salmon. Add about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs and 1 large beaten egg. Stir in your fresh dill and lemon zest. You can also include a tablespoon of mayonnaise for extra moisture and richness. Mix everything gently until it's just combined. Overmixing can make the cakes tough. Once your mixture is ready, it's time to form the cakes. Take about 1/4 cup of the salmon mixture and gently shape it into a patty, roughly 1 inch thick. You should be able to make 6 to 8 cakes from a standard can of salmon. Place these formed cakes on a plate or baking sheet and refrigerate them for at least 30 minutes. This chilling step is crucial for preventing them from falling apart during cooking. Finally, let's cook these delicious salmon cakes. Heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil or your preferred cooking oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the chilled fish cakes into the hot pan. Cook them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and heated through. Serve immediately with a fresh lemon wedge or your favorite tartar sauce. Enjoy your homemade salmon fish cakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.